What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another video, another trading session. It is Thursday today. We are opening up in range. We don't have any weird gaps today, so hopefully we have some good charts today. Give me 1 second. Let me make sure my audio coming in. Market just opened, and we watching these stocks, baby. So today I want to see if we can break our pre-market high and pre-market low levels, man. I see Microsoft breaking out pretty early. Kind of been a rough week for me. I ain't gonna lie, man. Kind of been a rough week in the market. Just haven't got any decent charts, man. We ain't really had any decent flow, decent price action. So let's see if we can find us something today. Make sure my broker is up. All right. So hopefully, man, we can get some movement. What it do, Mason? What it do, Eric? Good morning to you guys. So SPY's around all-time highs again. 605, 610 is that all-time high. And usually when we around the all-time high, well, we're not all the way up there yet, but if we get up there, and buying market is usually choppy as hell around all-time highs, but we'll see what happens today. So I see Amazon breaking out, but Amazon has earnings today after close, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Amazon is the big company that got earnings today after close. So yeah, we're gonna watch these markets and see what happens, man. See what we can find. Yesterday, price action was weird as hell. Then we end up trending up about 11 o'clock. What it do, Shine? What it do, my boy? So yeah, let's see if we can find us a clean move today, man. Clean move today. I see AVGO, MU. See Broadcom. All right. So SPY sitting around 605 level. Pre-market highs right around that 606.10. So we can get above that and stay above. That'll be my confirmation. We already above yesterday's high. We opened up above yesterday's high. So let's see what happens though. AMD pretty strong. QQQ is wicking off of yesterday's high. Go to the 2-minute. AMD, NVIDIA pulling back. Microsoft very strong. Where is Microsoft? All right, so we got Microsoft, AMD, pretty strong. SPY needs to hold his lows. NVIDIA is dropping off. All right, Microsoft just got rejected. So let's wait. Let's see if we can find us a pullback count on one of these charts that's broken out. I see Microsoft and I see AMD. But SPY is trending down. It's trying to go down. Good morning, Garbear. What it do, my boy? All right, so let's see if Microsoft can retest this pre-market high. Let me look at Microsoft hourly. Yeah, Microsoft is getting above a key level, which is 415. All right, SPY going down. Let's see. NVIDIA weak, AMD weak. Apple going up. Tesla. Y'all don't know, man. It's been quick movements. So if you get into play, man, just watch it. Be ready to exit because it's been some quick movements. All right, let me go to this Microsoft real quick. All right, QQQ down trending a little bit. Shit, Microsoft. See if Microsoft can get over this. 415. I'm gonna load up Microsoft 417.5 calls. All right, I just took an entry. It's gonna be quick, man. So just trying to get a quick scalp out of this first trade real quick, see what happens. Sitting at break even. You don't have to get in, guys. If you don't know by now, I do lose sometimes. So stop loss is this pre-market high right here. I'm light as hell. I only got 2 contracts. Just seeing what's going on early. Let's see if we can bounce off of this. Kind of aggressive entry, but just getting some exposure, see what happens. Sitting at break even right now. Sitting at break even right now. See if we can get some green real quick. A little first early movement real quick. All right, there we go. Come on, Microsoft. All right, there we go. Sitting at 7%, 8%, 9%, 10%. All right, I'm taking a trim, guys. Taking a trim. Taking a trim. All right, we at 11%. There we go, Microsoft. There we go. There we go, 13%. All right, I only have runners. I just let this ride. I won't let it come back down to this consolidation right here. So I'm right here. My new stop loss is at the top of these candles right here. We up 16%. Nice first trade. Nice first trade. There we go. There we go. Still up 16%. Only in runners, guys. I'm only in runners. I already trimmed. 21%. There we go, baby. There we go. 22%. 24%. Let's go. We still going up. There we go. Microsoft. These are post earnings. It's a post earnings play. 25%. 25% right now. Let's see what this next candle does. There we go. 32%. Let's go, baby. There we go. We found the play today on their ass. 35%. Let's go. Trim, guys, if you got in with me. Yeah, we found the chart on their ass today. You ain't gonna get me today. All right, I'm just holding runners. My runners are stop loss break even. I mean, not break even. I'm moving it up. I'm gonna trail my stop. I'll let it pull back, see what it does. I'll let it pull back. We're still up 26%. I already took trims. All I gotta do is watch my chart right now. Now we are pulling back a little bit on some of these charts. Apple is very strong as well. That was a nice first trade. We still up 25%. Still up 25%. While we pulling back? We pulling back, so I would take your money if I was you. Yeah, that was a good one. That was a good first trade. All I did, guys, is I just watched my pre-market level. I had just said about 5 minutes ago, I said we're gonna wait on the chart to pass our pre-market highs and pre-market lows. One of them got to get passed. I said that earlier today. Yesterday I was kind of real aggressive. I ain't even wait for my levels to get hit. I was just jumping in some shit, but I just waited for it to get past this pre-market high right here. As soon as I got a pullback right here, that pullback candle, that's when I entered, right at that pullback candle. All it did was came up. I told you every time a chart passes a level, it's gonna pull back. It pulled back at this pre-market high. As soon as it kept going, I got in right there. Right there. We still up 26% right now. I keep my stop loss a little tight now. I'll put my stop loss right behind this red candle right here. Let's see if we can get some more money out of here, and then I'll exit. I ain't gonna try to overstay my welcome today. Let's go. Let's see if we can get up there. All right, there we go. We up 35%. There we go. 43%. Take your money, man. Take y'all money, man. Take y'all money. We hit the chart today on their ass. There we go. Still up 39%. Stop loss. I'm going to bring my stop loss behind this candle right here, this red candle. 46%. Yes, sir. We needed this, baby. I done had two bad days. All right, we up 50%. 50%, guys. My stop loss is behind this counter right here. Microsoft. I got in early. I don't even know if y'all caught it, but I had to get it. Let's see what everything else is doing. Yep. We kind of got the best chart. QQQ finally breaking out a little bit. That's a good sign. That's a good sign for us to stay in this play. Stop loss is behind this red candle right here. If I get stopped out, I'll just take what I made. I'm still up 38% right now. Microsoft just passed a key level. I'll show you guys the level it passed. Give me 1 second. All I'm doing is trailing my stop right now. So if this candle comes back below this, I wouldn't call that a pullback candle, but it's kind of like a pullback candle. That red candle right there, I'll exit the low of that candle. We still up 27%. And that's what you want to see, guys. You want to see vertical formations. See how Microsoft started going straight up? That's exactly what you want to see. Threw out that poke ball early. What poke ball? What you talking about? Shine, you got in with me, my boy? What poke ball you talking about? Garber? We up 34%, guys. I told y'all, man. If you take a loss, fuck that loss. Just come back in and go back in the next day. You know what I'm saying? We gonna lose sometimes. We gonna lose. You gotta accept it. But to take days like today, I should have fucking went heavy. I ain't gonna lie. I should have went heavy. All right, guys. We up 45%. Take y'all money, man. Don't let it go back red. Pokemon threw out that poke ball early. 46%, guys. Let's go. Who got in this play with me? Drop a 1 in the chat if you got in with me. And I understand, guys, if you ain't confident in my play, just play with one contract. Play with one contract. But I told y'all, my strategy, it works about 85% of the time. Wait on a pullback and get right in after the pullback. I mean, I do the same shit every day, dog. Every day. We still up 43%. My stop is still at the back of this candle. I want to see if we consolidate or something. Damn, we got in the best chart, bro. Apple not doing nothing. We got in the best chart, guys. Did Microsoft report earnings yesterday? We up 45%. Yeah, I haven't exited yet. I'm still in runners. Damn, this them plays you should have kept your full size in. Let it do what it wanted to do. But it's all good. The days you don't go in big. See, a play like this right here, I would size up a little bit just because it passed my pre-market highs. So this was yesterday's high, meaning yesterday we couldn't pass this high right here. That green line right there, that's yesterday's high. We opened up and the pre-market high was this high right here. So we've been going up all day. You know what I'm saying? We still up 33%. Take your money if you green. Take your money. Y'all should be green. Even if you got in late, you should be green. Y'all know truck market. It'll turn right around. My stop loss is this 9 EMA now, right here. I'm still up 25%. QQQ is retesting that open price level. Stop loss is 9 EMA. If we hit the 9 EMA close, I'll get out. But overhead right now we have 418. We need to get past. All we're doing is trailing our stop right now. Stop loss behind this pullback counter right here. 50 seconds on this candle. All right, it's coming down to my stop. I'm gonna watch it. Let's see. We still up 18% on my runner. We hit this play earlier, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, Meta's breaking out as well. Meta is breaking out. Apple just pulled back and retested a weekly level. Let me show y'all. Apple just went up, pulled back. That's a weekly level right there. That's a good entry on Apple. But you see the trend already started. That's why it's best to catch the trend early like we did. We caught it right here. Now all we do is just wait, trail our stop. I told you my stop loss was the 9 EMA. We bounced off that 9 EMA. Now we could start downtrending. Let's see what happens. We need to pass this pullback counter right here. This pullback counter, we need to pass that. Let's see if Microsoft can get back right. We still up 33% on runners. Come on, get past there, Microsoft. Let's go. Get past that candle. See what QQQ doing. Tesla weak as hell. Microsoft don't want to get past that 418 level. Let's go. Let's go, Microsoft. There we go. There we go. Get on past there. Like I said, Apple's bouncing off a level. Oh yeah, QQQ breaking out. Yep, exactly what I just said. I said QQQ went up. It's retesting the open price level. That orange, that yellow line right there. When it retests, get in right after the pullback candle. So this is the pullback candle entry right here. Same thing over here. Same thing we did over here. But y'all see it's 954. If we would have waited, we would have missed this move. You know what I'm saying? We still pulling back. We're still pulling back. I'm still keeping my stop at the back of this counter right here. Let's see what happens. We still up 29%. We got in way down here. It's people trying to get in right now because they missed the move. We ain't miss it. People looking at the chart like, oh man, y'all see Microsoft, but you're too late. You had to catch the setup. I told y'all Apple finna take off. I'm letting it pull back. We still up 27%. Let's see what happens. All right, it's touching my 9 EMA. All right, we bouncing off a little bit. Okay, QQQ pulling back. Probably gonna exit in a minute because it looked like we pulling back. Let's see if we bounce off these 9 EMA again. I wouldn't be surprised if it reverses right here just because it bounced off the 9 EMA 2 times. Usually only take one time to take off. We still up 22% though. Let's see what happens. My stop is at the back of this candle right here. Still waiting. Yeah, it's probably downtrending. Let's see if we can wick off. If not, I will exit at 18%. And just because if a candle goes past this pullback right here, you know the trend is over with. That's how you know the trend is over with. We're wicking off a little bit. SPY just moving sideways. Yeah, it's playing around. Playing around right now. They know a lot of people. Basically, Wall Street knows a lot of people like to take 9 EMA entries. So they'll play around at the 9 EMA just to be killing people contracts. All right, we bouncing off. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and move to the 5-minute chart. Move to the 5-minute. This low right here is still my stop loss. Move to the 5-minute. All right. That all Microsoft gonna give us? We still up 22%. This pullback candle low right here is my stop loss. If we get under that, I will get out. Now you see why I be on the 2-minute chart, guys. This is a great example right here. You see on the 2-minute, we went up and got above the pre-market high right here. This green dotted line right at the pre-market high. But you see on the 5-minute, we don't have no pullback. You know what I'm saying? So how I trade and how I take my entries, I need a pullback. There's no pullback on the 5-minute candles. That's why the first 20, 25, 30 minutes, I get on the 2-minute chart because look, 2-minute chart, I can really see this shit went up and 2-minute chart gave me a pullback. You see that? And we went and got the money. That's a great example of why I use the 2-minute chart the first 25, 30 minutes. QQQ bouncing off the open price level. SPY look like it want to go downtrending today. Let's see if Microsoft can get up back above these highs. Let's see what happens. We got in. We had the perfect entry. We had the perfect entry. We had a perfect entry. All right, let's see what happens. What you gonna do, Microsoft? You gonna give us some more? All right, you see that's a pullback candle right there. We need to get above that pullback candle. See what happens. Trust me, a lot of people probably trying to get in right now, but it's too late. We in Microsoft calls right now. We're up 28%. 28%. We still pulling back. I ain't see nobody comment. Y'all must ain't get in. So my boy Shine said, "Let's go." He must have got in. We still up 22%. This pullback low right here is my stop loss. If we get below this pullback low right here, I'll exit. All right, it's hitting my stop right now. Let's see what happens. Finger on the trigger. All right, I'm out. I'm out at 15%. I'm out at Microsoft. That was a decent trade. That was a nice trade. Oh yeah, that was a nice trade for real. Okay. It might bounce off that VWAP right there, but I'll let it do its thing. We got our money out of it. You say you missed Microsoft Play. You run the video calls. Okay. Let's see what the video looking like. The video had a decent chart yesterday. We missed. The video calls. The video kind of looking like spot chart. I ain't gonna lie. The video need to get above VWAP and that open price level. I don't know where you got in at, but I would keep a stop loss below 124, which is yesterday's high. That was a nice first trade. Let's see if we can find something else. Damn. I should have sized up a little bit, man. It's all good though. Damn, Tesla very weak. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that shit. MU, it look like it want to break out. Damn, that was a good Microsoft trade, boy. We hit that, boy. We hit that. Well, we got up to about 50%. 50% on Microsoft. You had to be a sniper to catch that one. Think about it. Most people just get into their computer at 9:30. As soon as you get to your computer, market gonna open. You're gonna be trying to get your broker open, all that. This happened at 9:36. This pullback at 9:36, 6 minutes after the bell opened. And we hopped in. Right there. That was a decent trade. All right, let's see if we can find something else. Oh, Microsoft pulled all the way back. Amazon. Yeah, everything reversing right now. Let me see what NVIDIA doing. Nvidia showing some Nvidia holding all its lows. That's why I said keep that stop loss at that yesterday's high, that 125 level. It's holding. You see how it keeps bouncing off for yesterday's high. Ooh, what chart was I just? AMD. Damn, AMD might go back down to 100. AMD can't get no strength. Yeah, I just said MU was finna break out. Then I just say that. Damn. I just called that shit too. Meta might have to go back to being a sniper, man. Taking them early entries. Damn, I just said MU was about to break out. I don't know how the fuck I ain't go to the chart. I said it, but didn't even go to the chart. Fuck. Yeah, SPY QQQ has been moving sideways for the last 30 minutes. We ain't had no separation off of open price level. We just sitting right around it. Nvidia is still getting rejected off of the VWAP. Tesla downtrending, but we need some kind of pullback. Look like SPY about to drop off. I ain't gonna lie. SPY probably about to drop off. Meta got rejected. Microsoft getting rejected. Yeah, that was a good exit. See what SPY's hourly chart looking like. Okay. Right here on SPY, that 605 level, 606 level. We got rejected here a couple days ago. Yeah, okay, that's 605. PLTR. Let's see what it's looking like. Damn. Oh my God. I don't trade PLTR. I used to swing trade this shit a lot when the company first got into the stock market. But goddamn, okay. PLTR had some good earnings. These are just post earnings play right here. Yeah, I missed that. But look at that. Oh, you never had a pullback. Oh, you had one right there. That's what I look for. I always look for the pullback. All right. Got a little strength in the market. Yeah, PLTR looked like it already made the move. If you get in, you're going to be sitting there waiting for it to make another move. But nothing wrong with waiting on it. SPY QQ haven't done anything. All right, NVIDIA. Mason, you still in NVIDIA? If QQQ can get above 528 and pull back, I'll be interested in that. 528. All right. Check this Apple out though. Apple is holding pre-market high. Where did Apple close at yesterday? Oh shit. Okay. I'm watching this Apple, guys. See if Apple can get above this consolidation right here. If Apple breaks above this consolidation right here, I'll take an entry. We have to break above it though. 233.56. That's what we need to break above. I got the 235 calls loaded. See if Apple want to break out. QQQ. Waking up a little bit. Let's go, Apple. Get on up there. The video getting rejected a little bit. Tesla reversed. Google reversed. All right. So it look like the pullback is done with. SPY don't want to move. Where the buyers at on SPY? Where they at today? I mean on Apple, where they at today? All right, you see QQQ getting above that. That pre-market high right there. QQQ can break and retest that pre-market high. I'll take an entry. But we have to retest. See Apple just playing around right now. Yeah, we'll wait on Apple. If you just now getting into the live, we already hit up Microsoft this morning. Caught that sniper entry right there. At that 936 candle right there. We went up, pulled back. Got in right off the pullback right there. Took off. We went up to 50%. All right, Apple pulling back again. So all this is a bull flag. So you see how Apple opened up, went straight up, and got above pre-market high. I told you every level it surpasses, it's gonna pull back. All it's doing is pull back, but right now it's just consolidating at the pullback zone. So at the break of the consolidation, you can take an entry. Stop loss. You can put your stop loss at the bottom of the pullback or that pre-market high right there. But we need We need Spine QQQ to wake up. See where QQQ at right now? As soon as it used to pass my level, I used to take an entry right there. I used to take an entry. I used to get stopped out like a motherfucker. But sometimes it worked. All right, so Apple getting pulled back. Let's see if we can tap this VWAP. If we tap this VWAP, Apple gonna go crazy. Nvidia's trending up a little bit. Google, same thing just happened on Google. Damn, it's already 10:16. Damn, that hour be going by fast. Same thing happened on Google. Consolidation. We broke out of the consolidation. As soon as we broke out, you can take an entry. But I wouldn't have taken. I wouldn't have taken an entry until we got above that 200 moving average. Let's see what Apple doing. I ain't trying to miss it. Damn, MU broke out. Oh my God, I missed that. Same thing on MU. We went up, retested the open price level right here. Consolidated. Consolidation, 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 consolidation. As soon as we break the consolidation, entry point. And you just go get that money. We can't make it difficult, guys. We got to keep it simple. If we want to make some money, got to keep it real simple. Can't make trading hard. All right, you see how Apple bounced off that VWAP? See if we can get back up here past this consolidation. SPY trying to get up there. Let's see if SPY can get above that open price level. But SPY's around all-time highs. Everybody listen to that. Listen up. SPY's around all-time highs. When SPY, QQQ are somewhere by all-time highs, the market just like to be real choppy. I ain't even gonna lie. It's just like to be choppy. I think like 2 weeks ago we set at all-time highs until Trump came out with all them tariff shit, and he sunk the market down. So it'll probably be some news that'll bring the market back down. But yeah, we're back around all-time highs, so be cautious. Look like Apple don't want to give me another entry. Microsoft setting up a bull flag though. Look at this. We already hit up Microsoft this earlier, but if Microsoft want to present to us something that looks great, bull flag. Here's the flagpole. Here's the flag. See the flag? So break of the flagpole is an entry. Everybody get that? That's simple right there. Bull flag. Went up, came back down, retested. Or you can pull your Fibonacci out. A lot of people get confused on Fibonacci, but this shit's simple, man. All you do is take your Fibonacci, start from the bottom where it broke out at, go all the way up to the top. So we went up, pulled back. You want your pullback zones to hit your 0.382 level and your 0.236 level. Those two red zones right there. As soon as it break out of that zone right there, that's an entry, Fibonacci. But a lot of people get confused on Fibonacci. That's why I don't really pull it out a lot. I still use it though. Let's see if Apple. Oh yeah. All right, Apple. All right, I'm gonna take that out. I ain't interested in Apple no more. What was I just looking at? Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft got rejected. SPY got rejected. QQQ got rejected. All right, see what I'm saying? There's that choppiness that SPY and QQQ like to do. Play around with that choppiness. Damn, MU was the move that we missed. The second move that we could have had. MU was the move. I said, I'm looking at MU when it was right here. Clicked off the chart and that bitch took off. It's all good though. We got some money out of Microsoft. SPY needs to get above open price level somehow, some way for us to get any kind of movement. Still going up. You see Microsoft went up. That was the move. That was the early morning move. You know what I'm saying? That's it. That's all you're going to get out of it at the moment. You know what I'm saying? Look at Google. Google went up, consolidated, got above the 200 moving average. Now it's bouncing back off. But SPY and QQQ still weak. You have to wait on that move. Like that. You ain't gonna get no candle like that after 11, 12 o'clock unless we have some news. Yeah, we very choppy right now. And you see how smaller the candles are getting? Look at that. That's a 5-minute candle. It only moved like 30. Look, it only moved like 20 cents in 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? That's how you know you in some chop. That's some choppiness. You don't want to get in no chop. We don't trade the chop. We don't trade the chop. We're looking for trends, baby. Trends. I need a trend to be started. And I'll do the rest. That's how Microsoft did today. Microsoft, the only trend I seen started today. You know what I'm saying? And I just waited on the pullback. QQQ is getting rejected. Is rejecting the lows. Let me see what QQQ hourly looking like. $528, $531 is the high. So we need to get above that pre-market high. It's still getting rejected. QQQ got rejected off of this same level. Last week, the week before that. Yep, QQQ got it rejected off this same level. Fuck it, I'll show y'all. All you do is pull up the hourly. All you do is look left. If you ever indecisive of a chart, look left. QQQ is right here, not right now. It's in that zone right there. If we look left, we see we got a little motion on that same level right there. See, now it's getting rejected. Same level right here. That's why I said we need to get above it. Because those moves on January 22nd was above the level. So if we get above the level, then I would take an entry. But if we can't get above it, I wouldn't take no entry. That's why I say let's get above the level. Try to zoom in a little bit. See what I'm saying? These are hourly candles. We want to get above this level, and then I'll take my entry. But if it can't get above it and hold above, I ain't getting in. Because look, it's getting rejected. Big old wick right there. You see that? Big old wick right there. That's why I ain't took no entry in QQQ. All right. See, we got rejected again. See what I'm saying? All you got to do is look to the left. If you ever indecisive or don't know if a chart looking good, just get in, look it to the left, see what the hell happened previous days at this same level, and go off of that. All right, now AMD probably finna. Okay. 604. See, SPY just went down, bounced off 604. 604 is a weekly level. And it's probably about to go right back up in range. All you're gonna get is that quick drop off right there, and it's gonna go back in range. That's what SPY want to do today. So we can't do anything about it. We can only trade what the market presents to us. If we don't get presented a trend or an entry point, we ain't getting in. We just gonna chill. We'll watch. Some days you're gonna have to watch the stocks. Some days you ain't gonna get no play. But I'm glad we hit that early play because ain't really been no flow of the charts today. Just like yesterday early, about 11 or 12 o'clock, we woke up. The market woke up yesterday, but I like this AMD right here. If SPY would stop playing around, SPY and QQQ. AMD 110. Let's see. Let me go look to the left on AMD. That's all I'm doing, looking to the left. See what happened here at AMD at 110 level. So yesterday we dropped down under 110. Haven't really had no play on it except yesterday because we ain't been down this low on AMD in a while. But damn, that's a nice entry on AMD. I ain't gonna lie. For puts. But I ain't even gonna fuck around with it right now. Yeah, we ranging. Look like they want to fake people out, man. They want to range, get below pre-market low, fake people out. Now watch it go crazy in a minute. I just know it's gonna go crazy in a minute. AMD 110. One minute on this candle. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna load up 110 puts on AMD. See it going back up again. 35 seconds on this candle. Yeah, I want to wait for AMD to come down to these three. See these three candles right here that wicked? I'm gonna wait for it to get down there. If we pass those three low candles right there, I'll take an entry. But right now it ain't doing shit. Time it. You just exit SPY puts 75%. Oh yeah. Good shit, my boy. Damn, he hit that shit. Yeah, you had to eyeball that shit because spy ranging like a motherfucker. That's a good play though. I'm finna hop in these AMD puts if they don't keep playing with me, keep giving me an entry. All right, play if you want to. So AMD is a chip stock, which usually is ran usually go off QQQ. So because QQQ can't get above that open price level, probably why AMD not really moving. Can't get it below that. That white VWAP line is the volume weighted price, average price, and that's a great confirmation if you are bullish or bearish. So QQQ should get under that VWAP. If we get under that VWAP, I'll definitely take an entry, but we're not under that. We still above it. I think we drop today, run tomorrow. Me too, Eric. Might need to go back 2 minutes for a little bit. You said you added on green candle. What happened? Why you say you need to go back to the 2 minute? I added on green candles. Yeah. We ain't doing that right now. Oh, Tesla dropping off. Ooh, shit. Watch I come back to this chart. AMD gonna be down here somewhere. Broadcom. That's a tricky chart, but you could have got some money out of it. What he was just saying, Tesla. That boy hit 75% on spot. Hell yeah. We hit 50 on Microsoft. A little decent 50. Yeah, Microsoft had the best chart, man. We hit the best chart today. We hit the best chart today. But yeah, man, don't look like we doing nothing right now. I'll probably take a look later on. But we got a nice, decent trade today. Tomorrow is Friday, 0 DTE. Y'all know how Fridays go. Hopefully we can get some paper tomorrow too. But yeah, man, I'll be live same time tomorrow. I gotta take my son to an appointment, so I'm gonna go ahead and get up off of here. You guys have a great evening, great day. Then we join Clark if you get time this weekend. DM me. All right, I got you. You want to show you some shit on the charts? All right, my boy, I got you. Yeah, you wrote me on IG too. Yeah, I know who you is. But all right, guys. Damn, this AMD looking good, dog. Oh my god. Nah, I ain't even gonna do it. But yeah, man, y'all have a good day, man. I'll be back tomorrow at 9:30. Y'all take it easy.